Hello everyone. In today's video, we will show you how to schedule a meeting using the Microsoft Teams calendar. Whether we are planning a class, a team discussion, or an online event, the Teams calendar helps us keep things simple and organized. Let's get started. On the Microsoft Teams dashboard, we go to Meet on the left side of the dashboard. We click Meet. Here, we can see the option to schedule a meeting. We just need to click this option. Now, we add a title, for example, Project Lab Meeting. Then, we add our classmates or team members. For the schedule, we select the date and time. For example, we can set the meeting for tomorrow from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. We can also make it an all-day event or choose specific hours. If we want the meeting to repeat, we can choose options like weekly, daily, monthly, or yearly. We can adjust this as needed. For the location, we select Online. This is just an example for a Project Lab meeting. Here, we have settings like who can bypass the lobby, only invited people, for example. We can also choose who can present, everyone or just our team. This feature helps us control the meeting, so only we can mute or remove someone if needed. Once everything is set, we just click Send. Then, we copy the meeting link to share it with our team. That's how we schedule a meeting in the Microsoft Teams calendar. It's an easy way to stay organized and make sure everyone gets the invite on time. If you found this helpful, don't forget,